And all my dear friends. Today I am K. Prasad going to speak about why Africa is very crucial for India. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited 4 African countries. Those are Mozambique, Tanzania, Kenya and South Africa, which came on the heels of Vice President Hamid Ansari's visit to Morocco and Tunisia and President Pranab Mukherjee's visit to Ivory Coast, Namibia and Ghana. This clearly implies that India is going all out to ensure it forges a strong bond with these countries. Now the question arises, why Africa is very important for India? Last year in the month of October, India had organized an India-Africa Forum, a summit held at New Delhi, where leaders of more than 40 countries participated and it gave a high-profile stage for ties between India and Africa. African continent is energy rich and resource rich, and what India needs is minerals, coal, oil, pulses, etc. And African countries can provide these at cheaper rates. Presently, India imports uranium and iron ore from Australia and South America. And if you build a good relation with African countries, then we can import all these needed materials at cheaper rate and save a lot of money for our country. And India is highest consumer of pulses. Yearly, India consumes more than 22 million tons of pulses. So the prices of pulses are regarded very high in India due to shortage. India sources for yellow peas and lentils from United States of America and Canada, and for sake of pigeon peas, it sources Russia and Australia, and for sake of green gram, it sources Myanmar. Mozambique is one of the highest exporter of pulses to major countries at cheap price. So if you build a good relation with Mozambique, then we'll be able to import pulses. As recently a memorandum of understanding is signed by Modi to import more than 1 lakh million tons of pulses every year, and with the aim of doubling the import next year. China is eyeing Africa for many days. It wants to cement its position in the region. And so Beijing is taking up many infrastructure projects like building railways, highways, ports, etc. So now India is concentrating on Africa, and it is developing medium and small industries, and it is also educating people there and building human resources. And India also recently promised African countries that it will build a hospital which will be beneficial to treat cancer patients. Thus, India is minimizing the role of China in Africa and cementing its position. And the most important thing is, African continent totally has 54 countries, and all these countries are members of UN. And if India wants to spearhead a movement to bring reforms in the United Security Council, then it needs all support of all these 54 countries and votes of these 54 countries. So it is very important for India to concentrate on Africa and build good relation with them, so that India can assure itself a seat in the United Security Council. Thank you.